Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore the top 11 great ways to say thank you in English. Why not 10? Because these 11 go to 11. Thank you very much. Expressing gratitude is essential in building strong relationships and spreading positivity. So let's elevate these meaningful ways to say thank you. Please take a moment now to like and subscribe. It's a huge help. Thank you very much. Number 11. A simple thank you goes a long way in showing appreciation for someone's kindness or help. It's a classic and timeless way to express gratitude. Number 10. I'm grateful for your support. This phrase conveys a deeper level of appreciation, acknowledging the impact of the person's support on your life or endeavors. Number 9. I can't thank you enough. This expression emphasizes the magnitude of your gratitude, showing that words alone may not suffice to convey your appreciation. Number 8. Your generosity means the world to me. Use this phrase to express how much the person's generosity has touched your heart and made a difference in your life. Number 7. I appreciate everything you've done for me. This comprehensive statement acknowledges the person's past actions and their ongoing support, making them feel truly valued. Number 6. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. This heartfelt expression conveys deep sincerity and emotional gratitude, showing the person how much their kindness means to you. Number 5. I'm so thankful for your thoughtfulness. Use this phrase to appreciate the person's considerate gestures and the effort they put into making you feel special. Number 4. Your kindness has not gone unnoticed. This phrase acknowledges the person's kindness and assures them that their actions have made a positive impact on you. Number 3. I'm indebted to you for your help. Use this formal yet sincere expression to convey a sense of obligation and profound gratitude for the person's assistance. Number 2. Words cannot express how grateful I am. Sometimes words fall short in capturing the depth of your gratitude, and this phrase conveys that sentiment effectively. Number 1. Thank you for being amazing. This all-encompassing statement combines appreciation with admiration, letting the person know how much you value them as an individual. There they are, the top 11 great ways to say thank you in English. Remember, expressing gratitude not only uplifts others, but also brings joy and fulfillment to your own life. So, next time you want to show appreciation, choose one of these heartfelt phrases and make someone's day brighter. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to please like and subscribe. It's a huge help. Thank you very much for being amazing and spreading kindness wherever you go.